Hey, I just started learning Python, and for the next 50 days, I'll be solving 50 LeetCode problems. I'll get 30 minutes each problem, and at the end of each video, I'll be scoring myself on my personal scoreboard of shape. Hey, welcome to day 10. Today's problem is valid palindrome. Let's start a timer and give our problem a read. No one's online today. That's nice. Let's give it a read. Our problem is quite simple. So what a palindrome is a word that can read same from forward to end, from end to forward. So if it is a man, a plan, a canal, Panama, it reads same when it is flipped: a man, a plan, a canal, Panama. And what we have to do here is we have to first remove all the empty spaces. We have to convert all the uppercase letters to lowercase letters and remove all the non-alphanumeric characters. Then we have to check if the start to end is equal to end to start. To convert the uppercase letters to lowercase is simple. We can do dot lower. To remove the empty spaces, it is easy. We can do split or strip. We can also, for the alphanumeric characters, I am not sure how we can do that. I'm gonna Google that one. Otherwise, the problem is quite simple. We're gonna be stripping all the empty spaces. We're gonna be converting it to lower. We're gonna be removing all the non-alphanumeric characters, and then we're gonna be checking if it reads same front to back and back to front. This method is quite simple. We're gonna be importing regex over here, and we're gonna be using it to replace all the non-alphanumeric characters with nothing. So it is gonna combine every alphanumeric together, and we will get our string at the end. Let's implement it in our code. Okay, I believe this should work. So we are importing regex over here, and we are creating a new string which will be removing all the non-alphanumeric, and it will be replacing it with nothing. And we are also converting our string to lower inside our new string. So this should work, and I think I'm missing a bracket over here. Then we are checking if that string is equal to the opposite of that string. We are flipping it and we're checking and returning true. If not, then false. Also, we have this, that if we have an empty string and if we strip it and we get nothing in the string, nothing should be equal to nothing, right? So it should return true. Let's try to test the code. Okay, it works. I think this should work. So let's submit our code and let's see. It worked. It took 4 ms. We beat 90% of the people. Let's take a look at the top 1% of the code. So to remove from punctuation into remove, s is s dot replace with, okay, return is lower. I don't know how this is fast. They are going through each letter of the s string and then replacing all the alphanumeric and spaces with nothing to join them together, and it is an efficient method. I don't know how. I'll try to learn. Okay, let's mark ourselves on our scoreboard. We finished this in 10 minutes, so that was quite good. It was 4 ms, I guess. Mine was, yep, 4 ms. Was good. God mode, I can say, and quite chill. Tomorrow we will be doing reverse string. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.